I spoke to the Health Secretary Matt Hancock about social distancing, using face masks, and all the confusion about leaving the lockdown. We can see one person in the park. Can it be a different person every day?
Yes, at greater than 2 meters. Yes, at greater than 2 meters. So being outside is safer than being inside, but it is not zero risk. So we are making some baby steps, some relaxations, but we're doing it very, very carefully,
Okay.
precisely because we don't want our rate to get above 1 and the infection to get out of control again.
Okay. So inside, I can't see my sister, but I can see my cleaning lady.
Well, again, if you have somebody like a cleaner coming to your house, then they should exercise social distancing and obviously follow the other good practices that we can't forget. You know, the basics. Washing your hands is incredibly important, keeping surfaces clean so that the infection isn't on it.
Grandparents then inside can't see their grandchildren, but they can see their carers, the children.
Well, again, this is all about protecting people. So often we know that it's just a matter of scientific fact that the over 70s are more vulnerable to this disease. And so it is therefore common sense that we should do everything we can to protect those who are more vulnerable. There's then a further group that we've talked about on this program, the clinically extremely vulnerable, who we say you shouldn't meet anybody. But yes, this is all about applying straightforward rules with common sense, based on the facts about this disease that we do know, like that it spreads less outside, but still does spread.
No, I understand.
And
I understand, Health Secretary, and we've got quite a lot to rattle through, so we get that, but you get the point that I'm making. And the point is that family members you can employ as your cleaning team, and that's okay with the rules. Grandparents can be employed as carers of grandchildren, that's okay with the rules. But you can't have them as your sister or your grandparents come to see you in the house. You can see why it's confusing.
No, I'm afraid I disagree with that. The principles are really clear. And the public have been really sensible so far. And this is why an appeal to people's common sense is very, very sensible in and of itself. And that's the great British public have really understood what social distancing means, why we need to do it. Sadly, nobody wants social distancing rules, but because they are important. Yep. The principles are outside is better than inside. Stay 2 meters away. Wash your hands and clean the surfaces, and see as few people as you can outside of your household, because that's how the virus spreads.